If your wipers smear better than they wipe, it's time to replace them. I'm changing the windshield wipers on a 2012 Ram 1500. This truck uses 22-inch blades on both sides, and the same size will fit Ram 1500 models from 2009 to 2021. First, lift the wipers up away from the windshield. There's usually a tab underneath that you'll hold down, then slide the old wiper towards the car, removing it from the arm. Now take a look at your new 22-inch blades and inspect how they'll go on. My blades require opening this little cover. Then with any covers popped open, slide it onto the hook until you hear that confirmational click. Now with the blades on the arm, go ahead and close up any covers. Lower the blade gently onto your windshield, repeat on the other side, and there you have it, clear visibility in under 2 minutes. If this video helped you out, check out my channel for more of these simple automotive fixes. Thanks for watching.